How to make passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI? Are you ready to start making money without lifting a finger? In this video, we'll introduce you to ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, two revolutionary platforms that offer a passive income opportunity like no other. By chatting and exploring the internet, you can earn money in your spare time and supplement your income without any additional effort. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to work from home full-time, this video is a must-watch. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. What is passive income? Passive income is income that is earned without active involvement. This means you can make money while you're sleeping or on vacation, without actively working for it. Some examples of passive income include rental income, dividend income, and income from investments. How ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you generate passive income. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI are two of the most advanced AI models that can help you generate passive income. ChatGPT is a language model that can answer questions and provide information on various topics. Midjourney AI, on the other hand, is a chatbot that can interact with customers and provide customer service. Let's see the ways. Affiliate marketing. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can be powerful tools for generating passive income through affiliate marketing. By providing information and answering questions about products and services, these AI models can help promote affiliate links and drive sales. For example, ChatGPT can help answer customer inquiries about a product or service, while Midjourney AI can provide personalized recommendations based on the customer's preferences. As a result, you can earn a commission on each sale made through your affiliate link without actively promoting the product yourself. With the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, you can build a passive income stream through affiliate marketing while focusing on other aspects of your business or personal life. Ad revenue. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you generate passive income on ad revenue by optimizing your content for search engines. These AI models can help you understand the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for, which can increase your website traffic and ad revenue. By providing high-quality content and using ad-powered optimization techniques, you can create a website or YouTube channel that attracts a large audience and generates a steady stream of passive income. Additionally, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you track your website analytics, which can help you understand your audience's behavior and preferences. By leveraging this information, you can make informed decisions about your content and ad strategy to maximize your ad revenue and generate even more passive income. Online courses. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can be incredibly useful when it comes to creating and promoting online courses to generate passive income. These AI models can provide information and answer questions about your course, which can help potential students make informed decisions and increase your course's visibility. Additionally, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help with customer service, which is crucial for keeping your students engaged and satisfied. They can provide support and answer questions that students may have throughout the course, ensuring a positive learning experience. Finally, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you market your online course by promoting it through social media and other channels. With their ability to interact with potential students and answer questions about your course, they can help drive traffic to your course and increase your passive income. E-commerce. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you generate passive income on e-commerce by providing customer service and answering questions about your products. With their advanced natural language processing capabilities, these AI models can interact with customers naturally and intuitively, helping them find the products they need and resolving any issues they may encounter. This can increase customer satisfaction and lead to repeat business, which can generate passive income over time. Additionally, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you upsell and cross-sell your products by providing recommendations based on the customer's interests and previous purchases. Overall, using ChatGPT and Midjourney AI on your e-commerce platform can improve the customer experience, increase sales, and ultimately help you generate passive income. Tips on how to get started. Now that you know how ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you generate passive income, here are some tips on how to get started. Choose your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for generating passive income. Choose a niche you're passionate about. When choosing a niche, it's important to choose something that you're passionate about. This will help you stay motivated and produce quality content that resonates with your audience. Research your niche. Before choosing a niche, Research it thoroughly to ensure that there is demand for the products or services related to it. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research to see how much interest there is in your niche. Consider the competition. It's important to consider the competition in your niche before choosing it. If the competition is too high, it may be difficult to stand out and generate passive income. Why choosing the right niche is important. Choosing the right niche is important because it determines the direction of your content and the potential for generating passive income. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that has high demand, you can create quality content that resonates with your audience and attracts traffic. This traffic can be monetized through affiliate marketing, ad revenue, online courses, or e-commerce, generating passive income over time. Additionally, choosing the right niche can help you stand out from the competition and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Create quality content. The second step is to create quality content. Whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, or an online course, your content needs to be informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Creating quality content is essential for building a successful online presence and generating passive income. Here are some tips for creating high-quality content. Understand your audience. To create content that resonates with your audience, it's important to understand their needs, interests, and pain points. Conduct research, engage with your audience, and use analytics tools to gain insights into their behavior and preferences. Focus on value. Your content should provide value to your audience. This can be in the form of entertainment, education, inspiration, or solutions to their problems. Make sure your content is relevant, informative, and actionable. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to building trust and credibility with your audience. Be honest, transparent, and genuine in your content. Avoid using overly salesy language or making false claims. Use visuals. Visuals can enhance the impact of your content and make it more engaging. Use high-quality images, videos, and infographics to illustrate your points and break up the text. Edit and proofread. Always proofread and edit your content before publishing it. Check for grammar and spelling errors. Ensure your content is well-structured and make sure it flows logically. Creating quality content is important because it can help you establish authority in your niche, attract and retain a loyal audience, and ultimately generate passive income. By creating content that provides value, engages your audience, and reflects your brand, you can build a successful online business that generates income over time. The third step is to promote your content. ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can be used to promote your content by providing personalized recommendations to your audience. These AI models can analyze user behavior, preferences, and interests to suggest relevant content and products, which can increase engagement and drive traffic to your website or social media channels. Additionally, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can be used to optimize your content for search engines. By analyzing keywords and user search queries, these AI models can suggest changes to your content to improve its relevance and visibility on search engines. You can also use ChatGPT and Midjourney AI to automate your content marketing efforts. By creating chatbots or virtual assistants powered by these AI models, you can provide 24/7 support to your audience, answer their questions, and promote your content through targeted messaging. In conclusion, leveraging the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can be a game changer for your passive income strategy. By creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and using AI to promote it effectively, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and generate a steady stream of income over time. So if you're ready to take your passive income strategy to the next level, start with the power of AI. With the right mindset, tools, and strategies, you can achieve your passive income goals and build a successful online business that generates income for years to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and insights on the latest technologies and trends.